I started losing my hair when I made a lot of crazy hair color decisions, something I really like to do, but over time my hair just stopped growing. It got thin, it got sad. My hair was choppy and mullety and super dried out, and it wasn't growing, and now it looks like this because of transitions. I tried a lot of deep conditioners, I tried vitamins, different oils, a lot of stuff that I just found online. Nothing worked until I came to transitions. Laser treatments, pharmaceutical grade products, and PRP helped restore my hair. What's great about transitions is they know that my schedule is very hectic and I need to be in and out in 45 minutes, and that has been the case every single time. And I'm not special. They're not doing anything special for me. That's the case for everybody. If it wasn't for transitions and everything that they've done for my hair, I couldn't do all of the crazy colors. I couldn't change things up. I couldn't get creative with it. You need healthy hair in order to do fun stuff like this. The feeling of being able to wake up and not spend a ton of time trying to fix a disaster and instead just working with nice hair, it is a huge weight off your shoulders. There's something about having great hair that gives you back the confidence that you lost. If you're thinking transitions can't help me, I am living proof that they can. Young, old, any ethnicity, any hair loss, they can help you. This is the best hair I've ever had, thanks to transitions.